So I'm here with Nic Kytlica. We are at the Leupold range, and he's going to show you a little trick here that probably not a lot of you know, because I didn't know it, and I think you learned it recently too,
I didn't
right?
know it till a little while ago, and it's like one of those dumb moments where you're like, how did I not think of that before?
Yeah, so a lot of scopes, you can't really change the parallax numbers to line up with where that parallax actually is. So a lot of people don't even bother looking at what the numbers are. But with the Leupold Mark 5, you can actually zero your parallax. So Nic's going to walk us through exactly how we're going to zero our parallax.
So how we're gonna zero out the parallax dial is I'm gonna find a target, probably about 600 yards or so. So use my scope here as a platform. Find one. There we go. That's about 590. We'll call that good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get on the scope. I'm gonna look through the scope. I'm gonna turn my parallax until it's in focus. I'm gonna do a little test with my head, see if there's parallax. That looks pretty good. So then what I'm gonna do, I can see on there, it's not quite lined up with 600. It's slightly off, pretty close. But what I can do is loosen the set screws on the knob. Now the thing you have to keep in mind is you don't want to accidentally turn it while you're doing this. So just be gentle, go slow. There we go. And now that knob can spin freely. I'm not actually engaging the parallax adjustment. So I'm going to align that perfectly with 600. And I'm just going to tighten that back down. I'm going to tighten that back down. Sweet. And now we've just tuned my parallax dial to what's actually happening downrange. And now when I get on a stage, before I'm gonna shoot, I can turn that to 600 and I know I'm gonna be spot on at 600.